Click on the link below to get price. SAA Tiny Expandable Prefab House. This tiny prefab house is a versatile and innovative housing solution designed for modern living. This 19 by 20 feet tiny house features a foldable design, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a portable and space-efficient living space. With its sturdy steel construction and flame-retardant foam wallboard, this prefab house offers durability and safety, ensuring a comfortable and secure environment for its occupants. The house comprises 2 well-appointed rooms, a fully equipped bathroom, and a stylish kitchen, providing all the essential amenities for a small family or a modular guest house. The expandable sections of the house can be adjusted to meet varying space requirements, making it a flexible solution for different needs. Whether you need additional living space, storage, or a workspace, the SAA Tiny Prefab House can adapt to your changing needs. One of the standout features of this prefab house is its space-saving foldable design. When not in use, the house can be folded flat, making it easy to store and transport. This modular design also facilitates hassle-free installation, making it suitable for both urban and remote locations. The exterior color of the house is frosty white, giving it a modern and sleek appearance. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the SAA Tiny Prefab House is built to withstand the toughest conditions, providing long-lasting durability. The flame-retardant aluminum-magnesium foam wallboard enhances the safety of the house by preventing the spread of flames and smoke in the event of a fire. This added layer of protection minimizes the risk of property damage and ensures the safety of the occupants. The house is equipped with sockets and switches according to the power standards required by customers. It can also accommodate a stackable washer-dryer or dishwasher, making it a convenient and practical living space. The kitchen cabinet and sink are included in the purchase list, and the circuit of the electric light is installed for easy setup. What stands out the most? Portability. The foldable design allows for easy transportation and storage. Durability, constructed from heavy-duty steel, ensuring long-lasting use. Safety. Flame-retardant foam wallboard provides superior fire resistance. Flexibility. Expandable sections can be adjusted to meet varying space requirements. Convenience. Fully equipped bathroom and stylish kitchen included. Space-saving. Foldable design makes it ideal for areas with limited storage space. Easy installation. Modular design facilitates hassle-free setup. Versatility. Suitable for permanent residence, vacation home, or temporary shelter. Modern design. Frosty white exterior gives it a sleek appearance. Energy efficiency. Equipped with sockets and switches according to power standards. Adaptability. Can accommodate a stackable washer-dryer or dishwasher. Comfort. Well-appointed rooms designed for comfort and privacy. Natural light. Ample natural light in all rooms. Cost-effective, affordable housing solution with all essential amenities. Weather-resistant. Built to withstand tough conditions. Technical specifications. Dimensions: 5,900 LX 6,300 WX 2,480 HMM. Material: heavy-duty steel and aluminum-magnesium foam wallboard rooms. 2 rooms, 1 bathroom, 1 kitchen. Exterior color: frosty white foldable design. Yes, expandable sections. Yes, weight 5,511 pounds. Base material: alloy steel top material type. Alloy steel chamber depth 589.28 centimeters. Chamber height 2480 millimeters. Frame material alloy steel. Pros and cons? Pros: highly portable and space-saving design. Durable construction with heavy-duty steel, superior fire resistance with flame-retardant wallboard. Flexible and adaptable to various space requirements. Fully equipped with essential amenities. Cons: limited space may not be suitable for larger families. Requires proper installation and setup, may not be ideal for extreme weather conditions. Where to buy? The SAA Tiny Prefab House can be purchased from various online retailers, including Amazon. It is available for delivery and comes with customer support for any inquiries or issues. The house can be equipped with additional features according to customer requirements, making it a customizable and versatile housing solution. To summarize, the SAA Tiny Prefab House is a modern and innovative housing solution that offers portability, durability, and flexibility. With its foldable design and expandable sections, it can adapt to various space requirements and provide a comfortable living environment. Whether you need a permanent residence, vacation home, or temporary shelter, this prefab house is a practical and cost-effective choice. Click on the link below to get price.